Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel and this is your March last week's exclusive reading. Now I'm not gonna say love reading. Why? Because this is going to be your love plus career. Yes, on huge demand a lot of people said that please also do a weekly career reading. So I'm going to club this reading. I'm going to start doing a love plus career reading from now on. So March last week, which is 24th till the 31st, this is going to be your love plus career reading. Let's see what's happening in your life. So first and foremost, your love life. You've got the Nine of Moons, the Moon card, and the Fortune's Wheel. All right. So I do see that you guys are waiting for some sort of celebration. You guys are waiting for some sort of change in your life, a positive change, right? And you must be getting a lot of importance. So if I talk about your love life, I do see that either somebody's paying you a lot of attention these days, or you're getting a lot of proposals, marriage proposals, relationship proposals, but there is a catch here. The Moon card has come into your reading, right? The Moon card. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but this is a very negative card. It means that somebody is lying to you. It means that somebody is cheating on you. It means that somebody has hidden agenda, hidden motives, and they cannot be trusted. Right? So if you think you're getting some, a very nice offer which is like too good to be true, yes, you have to think again. You have to think carefully. So I do see that somebody around you in your personal life, in your personal relationships is not trustworthy. They could be guiding you wrong, giving you wrong advice. It could be your own friends, family, or the marriage proposal or the relationship proposal or a random stranger or a person showing interest in you could be. Maybe they just want to use you. Maybe they just want to, sleep around. Maybe they just are after your money, right? So you have to be basically very careful. That is what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to warn you that you cannot trust people easily in your life. So if your intuition tells you that yes, this person cannot be trusted, if the vibes are off, please pay attention to that. If your dreams are telling you something, please pay attention to that. There's a meaning of every dream, okay? Do Google if you have a problem, if you're getting dreams. So listen and pay attention to your dreams. Whatever is happening in your last week, I do see that there will be endings and there will be new beginnings as well. Which means the moment you find out the truth, some sort of truth that is coming your way in the last week, eye opener, right? You will be ending that relationship and you will be moving forward with maybe a new relationship, a new partnership. So get ready because major changes are coming into your life. It also can be that you broke up with somebody and now that person is coming back. So first you have to test why they're coming back. Pros and cons, right? Do a background check if that's a new offer. And if that person is meant to be, if you guys were separated because of a third person who was trying to create problems in your life, right? And that person wasn't wrong, but did not trust them because your best friend said so, then you might have to, reevaluate that kind of decision of yours. So a lot of changes are happening, right? Which means you could be ending relationships, you could be ending friendships, you could be ending family relations as well just because they were not good for you. You could be having reunion, you could be having new beginnings as well just because they were good for you and you made some bad choices, right? So yes, be prepared because major changes are happening in your life and prepare for endings as well. There is a big truth that will be revealed to you in the last week of March, which will serve as an eye-opening, drama for you, and on the basis of that you will be making big choices, big decisions in your life regarding your personal life, right? Whether to keep that friend or that relationship with you or not, or whether to move on, or whether to, give somebody new a chance. So yes, new beginnings, endings is happening. Coming to your career now, you've got the Three of Moons, the Nine of Stars, the Three of Suns, and the Two of Suns. You could be seeing 3 3 or 9 9. Do Google the meaning if you want to know what is the meaning of 3 3. Now again, I do see that you are waiting for some sort of celebration in your work life as well, in your career, in your business, right? I do see that in your career you could be dealing with a Gemini or a Cancer Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Gemini or Cancer Sun Moon rising. I do see that there are a lot of fights, office politics and arguments with the clients in the last week of March, or it could be that it's happening for a very long time. I do see you in some sort of stress because of it. It could be that this person is important, right? Or it could be that they are your boss. So if you are getting into arguments with this person, it is bound to happen because you both are not compatible. You are very, very similar to each other, which means both are hot headed, both are short tempered. Nobody wants to compromise, nobody wants to back out or back off from a fight. If you really want to keep this job, Aquarius, then my advice will be to compromise in this situation. Last week is not about fights, it's not about arguments because they are going to happen. If you really want to keep this job, if you have stability issues, if you doesn't have any other job in offer or any offer in hand, or this business or this client or this deal means a lot to you, you will have to compromise. You will have to listen no matter what they are saying, no matter how wrong they can be. Just nod, just agree with them, and just let this last week pass, okay? So that that deal is secured, so that that promotion is secured, so that your job is secured, because they are in a position to spoil it for you. And to others of you who think, no, they want to take that risk, they're ready to take that leap of faith, they cannot take it anymore, it is too much, too toxic for them, and they get a new offer or they get a new client. Yes, then you can go in that direction as well, because I also see that some of you are moving into a new direction, which means taking up a new job offer, starting a new business, or a lot of you would also be thinking of studying also. A lot of you are thinking, maybe, I don't have an MBA, or I don't have a higher education, and that's why my job is being affected, or that's why this person is behaving like that with me. So in that situation, a lot of you will be ending that job to do higher studies. And if you're already doing or preparing for some competitive exam and it's not getting cleared, and uh, you are being you are stressed because of that situation also. So I also see that you will be ending that, and just beginning a new job and business as well. Rest. So it can be anything depending upon your situation, but I do see that you are either you have to compromise in the last week, or you have to just move on into a new job or business or a new direction completely. I also see that this direction could mean that you are maybe just moving away to a different new city or country as well. I do see you moving away from somebody into like fresh waters, a new dimension, a new space. Maybe you have never covered that. So it can be a new field as well. It can be a career switch as well. So it can be anything. But again, big changes will be happening, right? Some endings will be there. See, in order to start something new, you have to end something, right? You cannot go like this. So that is what is going to happen. And when you do that, it is going to be beautiful for you, because all the changes that I see right now are for your benefit, are for your higher good, whether that's your personal life or whether that's your career. Both are going through something major in the last week of March, which will change your whole life completely. Okay, good changes, right? Not bad changes. Even if they seem to be bad and uncomfortable and stressful right now, trust me. On the other side of this decision lies a very beautiful and you know peaceful life for you. Okay, so if you guys resonated with this reading, guys, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you want to claim the positive energies of this reading, please comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that this manifests for you faster, the positive changes, the positive new beginnings. And if you would like to book a reading with me, if you have any doubts, if you're in no contact, you want to channel your partner's feelings, or if you're feeling blocked, you want a blockage removal ritual, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can Instagram handle DM me as well. Please also follow me on Instagram, because I post all the details regarding both my channels here, English and Hindi as well. My charges are very cheap, very budgeted. They go up to 1000 rupees. They start at 170 rupees. If you're international client, I do have USD available as well. And if you would like to have an audio or video call, that is also available on Instagram on a different charges. Okay. So yes, please go through the description box, and I will also, uh, you know, or DM me or email me. I'll send you the charges, and whatever suits your budget, you can choose. I have a variety of services available and a variety of charges depending upon your budget. So go ahead, book a session with me. You will get it the same day. Yes. So take care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye bye.